Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to connect your phone to Amazon Fire TV and stick. Firstly, turn on your Fire TV stick as usual and press and hold the home button, which is the big button with a house icon on your Fire Stick remote until a menu appears. From the menu, highlight Mirror In. Now press enter the large circle button in the center of the remote. Your Fire Stick will now display a screen saying it's ready to receive a wireless signal from your phone. Now on your Android device, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on Quick Settings. Look for Cast, Screen Mirroring or Smart View. Tap it and your Fire TV stick should appear in the list of available devices. Select your Fire TV stick and your phone screen will now be mirrored to the TV via Fire Stick. You can now watch videos, photos or even play games from your Android phone directly on your Fire TV stick. Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get Spotify Premium without credit cards.